afternoon. Now didn't we say 1 o'clock? I keep looking at the tellers going tick-tock. I must have somehow heard you wrong, but I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop
on the corner of Big and Sweet.
I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops
On the corner of Big and Sweet.
and I'm gonna choose to believe you're on your way, just running a little late, a little late. Now this might seem silly since we only just met. You must think I'm a stalker, or worse, I bet. But when it feels right, it feels right. Why should that razor flag turn on a red light? I'm not gonna make excuses for being mean. No, I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop.
On the corner of Big and Sweet.
I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops.
On the corner of Big and Sweet.
And I'm gonna choose to believe you're on your way, just running a little late, a little late. But I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop.
On the corner of Big and Sweet.
I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops.
Corner of Big and Sweet.
Looks like I've been stood up on our first date.
Corner of Big and Sweet.
I can hardly choose to believe you're on your way. You're just running a little late, a little late,
Corner of
running a little late, running a little late. You're just running a little late.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm, and I know I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining right.
I don't wanna be mad, but where are you? I've been calling and texting all afternoon. Now didn't we say 1 o'clock? I keep looking at the tellers going tick-tock. I must have somehow heard you wrong. But I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop.
On the corner of Bigger and Sweet.
I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops.
On the corner of Bigger and Sweet.
And I'm gonna choose to believe you're on your way. Just running a little late. A little late. Now this might seem silly since we only just met. You must think I'm a stalker, or worse, I bet. But when it feels right, it feels right. Why should that razor flag turn on a red light? I'm not gonna make excuses for being like summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near, it's open for tonight, it's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me